Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English for the New Year podcast. My name is Jessica. I'm your teacher today.
Hi, my name is Jack. I'm here to learn English with you.
That's great, Jack. Today is a special lesson. We will learn about the new year. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Wonderful. So, Jack, do you know what New Year means?
It's about January?
Yes, very good. New Year is January 1st. It's the first day of the year. Let's say it together. New Year. Can you repeat?
New Year.
Perfect. Now, listeners at home, you try. Say New Year. Good job. The new year is exciting. It's a new beginning, a new start.
A new start. I like that.
Me too. Now let's learn some important words. The first word is celebrate. Celebrate. This means to have fun because something special happens. Celebrate.
Celebrate. Like a party?
Exactly. Yes. When we celebrate the new year, we have a party. We have fun with friends and family. Can you say celebrate?
Celebrate.
Great. Now, listeners, you say it too. Celebrate. Excellent. Now, let's use it in a sentence. I celebrate the new year with my family.
I celebrate the new year with my family.
Perfect, Jack. Now you try at home. Say the sentence. I celebrate the new year with my family. Very good.
Jessica, what do people do at New Year parties?
Good question. People do many things. First, they say Happy New Year. This is a greeting, a special way to say hello on New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yes, Happy New Year, Jack. Now, everyone listening, say it with us. Happy New Year. Wonderful. You can say this to your friends. You can say this to your family.
When do we say it?
We say Happy New Year on January 1st. We also say it at midnight. Midnight is 12 o'clock at night when the old year ends and the new year begins.
Midnight. 12 o'clock at night.
That's right. At midnight, people count down. They say 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Let's practice counting down. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Excellent. Now, listeners, you try. Count down with us. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Great job, everyone.
That was fun. What else happens at New Year?
Well, many people watch fireworks. Do you know this word, fireworks?
Fireworks. They are colorful lights in the sky?
Perfect. Yes. Fireworks are beautiful. They make loud sounds. Boom, boom. They light up the sky. Red, blue, green, gold. So pretty.
I love fireworks.
Me too. Can you say fireworks?
Fireworks.
Good. Now everyone say it. Fireworks. Nice. Now let's use it in a sentence. I watch fireworks on New Year's Eve.
Wait, what is New Year's Eve?
Ah, good question. New Year's Eve is December 31st. It's the last day of the old year, the night before New Year's Day.
Oh, so New Year's Eve is December 31st and New Year's Day is January 1st.
Exactly right. You're learning fast, Jack. Now, let's say the sentence together. I watch fireworks on New Year's Eve.
I watch fireworks on New Year's Eve.
Perfect. Listeners, you say it now. I watch fireworks on New Year's Eve. Excellent. Jessica, I have another question. What is a New Year's resolution? Ooh, that's a great question. A resolution is like a promise. It's a goal, something you want to do in the new year.
A goal, like something I want to achieve?
Yes, exactly. For example, some people say, my resolution is to learn English. That's a goal, a promise to yourself.
I see. So my resolution is to learn English.
That's wonderful, Jack. Let's practice this word. Say resolution.
Resolution.
Good. Everyone at home, say it. Resolution. Great. Now, what are some popular resolutions? Let me tell you. Many people say, I want to exercise more.
Exercise more. That means do more sports?
Yes, running, walking, going to the gym. These are exercise. Another popular resolution is, I want to eat healthy food.
Eat healthy food, like vegetables and fruit.
Exactly. Vegetables, fruit, good food for your body. Another resolution is, I want to read more books.
Read more books. I like that one.
Me too. And here's one more. I want to spend more time with family.
Spend more time with family. That's nice.
Yes, it is. Now let's practice. Jack, what is your New Year's resolution?
My New Year's resolution is to learn English.
Perfect. Now, listeners, it's your turn. Say this sentence. My New Year's resolution is to learn English. Wonderful. You can change the words too. Say your own resolution.
Jessica, is it hard to keep resolutions?
That's a smart question, Jack. Sometimes it is hard, but we can try our best. We can take small steps, little by little, day by day.
Small steps. I understand. Don't give up.
Exactly. Don't give up. Keep trying. Now let's learn one more phrase. New beginnings. This means fresh starts, new chances. The new year gives us new beginnings.
New beginnings. I like that.
Can you say it? New beginnings.
New beginnings.
Great. Everyone say it. New beginnings. Excellent. Here's a sentence. The new year is a time for new beginnings.
The new year is a time for new beginnings.
Perfect. Now you try at home. The new year is a time for new beginnings. Very good.
So, Jessica, let me check. We celebrate on New Year's Eve, December 31st. We count down at midnight. We say Happy New Year. We watch fireworks. And we make resolutions.
Yes, you've got it all. You're an excellent student, Jack.
Thank you. This is easy when you explain it well.
You're welcome. Now let's learn a few more useful phrases. When people toast at a New Year party, they say cheers.
Cheers?
Yes, they hold up their drinks and say cheers. It means good wishes, good health. Can you say it?
Cheers.
Perfect. Everyone, say cheers. Wonderful. Another thing people say is out with the old, in with the new. This means we say goodbye to the old year and welcome the new year.
Out with the old, in with the new. That's a fun saying.
Yes, let's say it together. Out with the old, in with the new.
Out with the old, in with the new.
Great. Now, listeners, you try. Out with the old, in with the new. Excellent.
I'm learning so much today.
You're doing great. Now, let's do a quick review. I'll ask you questions, okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
Question 1. When is New Year's Day?
January 1st.
Correct. Question 2. What do we say at midnight on New Year's Eve?
Happy New Year.
Perfect. Question 3. What is a New Year's resolution?
It's a goal, a promise, something I want to do in the new year.
Excellent. Question 4. What are fireworks?
They are colorful lights in the sky.
beautiful.
Very good. And last question, what does celebrate mean?
Celebrate means to have fun because something special happens.
Perfect, Jack. You remembered everything.
Thank you. I practiced hard.
Now, listeners at home, let's review together. Repeat after me. New Year.
New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Celebrate.
Celebrate.
Fireworks.
Fireworks.
Resolution.
Resolution.
New beginnings.
New beginnings.
Wonderful job, everyone. You learned so much today.
I feel good. I can talk about New Year in English now.
Yes, you can. And remember, practice every day. Small steps, little by little.
Small steps. I will practice.
That's the spirit. Before we finish, I want to say Happy New Year to all our listeners. I hope you achieve all your goals. I hope you have many new beginnings.
And I hope you keep learning English with us. Don't give up.
Yes, keep learning. Keep trying. We believe in you.
Thank you for listening today.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Happy New Year.